Hey guys, it's Mr. Waldron again. Hey, I want to talk to you about erosion. We've talked about weathering and we've talked about some other things, but I want to make sure that we understand what erosion is. So what erosion is what I'm seeing right here in front of me. Let me turn around the camera so you can see. So this happens to be a trail that I'm familiar with. And so it's on a hill, and where I'm standing, I'm looking up the hill. And so people walk on this, and every now and then a truck drives on it for maintenance. But what you can see is right in front of me here, and you might be able to see it from there. As I kind of look across the trail, it's kind of higher on this side, dips down here, and then it goes up again. But what I notice is right here, where it's that low section, every time it rains, that water comes rushing down this hill, and of course gravity's going to put it right here in this little V, this little dip. And so as that water keeps coming down every time, it's picking up and moving pieces of earth with it. Sometimes to the point that it's even exposing roots that should be under the soil. And so hills are just a natural place that we get a lot of erosion. Anytime you're on the side of a mountain or a hill or a place where the land is going from higher to lower, because of gravity, when we have rain or maybe even snow's melting, that water's going to pick up speed and come traveling down through here. It's kind of like when we learn about the fall line in Maryland, how the water goes from that high location down really quickly. That's what we're seeing here, that same effect, gravity. And if you keep following down, sometimes if you get to the bottom of a hill, you might notice kind of what I'm noticing here. So here's where it kind of levels out. And here I see a pile of very loose soil. So this is all eroded material. It has been pulled down this trail from that high location to right here. And I can see here that stuff's starting to pile up because here the ground kind of flattens out a little more. So this is erosion. When earth material, rocks, soil, maybe even sand if you're at the beach, gets moved away by water, sometimes wind, but that's what erosion is.